In today's video, I have bring a very interesting game on multiplication table. So first of all, it will generate some random numbers. So I have to give the answer. If I write the correct answer, then it say you got the score. And if I write the wrong answer, then it say your answer is wrong and the correct answer is this. Let's try a few times. So in total, my score is 2 by 5. Let's learn the code of this game. As this project is based on random numbers, so we have to import random and then we set the score to 0. And then we print I'm going to generate the random's number. After that we have to run the for loop. So I'm running the for loop 5 times and then inside it take the first variable and the first I'm storing the random values from 1 to 10. Similarly, I have do for the second. The second will be random numbers between 1 to 10. Then printing the statement that is the first. Then we get the multiplication sign. Then the value of second numbers. And then equal to sign. And we are using int over there. So it's whatever the ask value we are going to feed, it should not go to the next line. And then we have done like if condition. So if the ask value is equal to the product, that means you get the score and there will be one output generated in the print statement that you got the score. Otherwise, it will print that your score is wrong and then print the correct answer also. So for printing the correct answer, we use the print. So it will print the first number first and then multiplication sign, then second number and then equal to sign and the value of product. And in last, we print the total score.